So hello students, today we are gonna to starting the lecture with the static of the unit 5, that is a design for testability. Very important topic. Means during the VLSI circuit designing, the things or the feature size we are using, we have implemented or we have manufactured. So we have to use this thing as a testability, that whether this is working correctly or not. So for this we are going to read the design for testability, which includes the logic testing, sequential logic testing, guidelines to adopt in designing for the test, scan designing techniques, and building test or technique. So we are starting the topic with the design guideline for in circuit testing, means ICT. So introduction to design guideline for in circuit testing is, in order to maximize the coverage and capability of in-circuit test ICT system, it is necessary to ensure that the board is sufficient testable for ICT system to provide a useful test. Whether the guideline can be adapted to help ensure that the circuit can be tested satisfactorily. So it includes basically the 8 point by which we can identify whether the circuit has been made or the tested well or not, which includes the point number 1 is provide accessible location holes and connect reset and other keys line via register. Provide a probable pad for each circuit nodes. Probable test pad should all be on one side of the board. Test pad finish, test pad size should be sufficiently for fixtures. Test pad density must be considered, and fill plate through holes. So one by one we are going to discuss about the point. So first point we are going to discuss is provide accessible location holes. In order that the connection can be made to the board, it is necessary to have accurate position or location holes that can be used to accurately locate the PCB, means printed circuitry board, onto the text fixtures. In this way, the PCB can make accurate location onto a probe or connection required. So, what is the requirement for it? Requirement for the tooling holes may includes 3 preferred but a minimum of 2 on opposite diagonal corners. We should have tooling or location holes should not be plated to ensure their accuracy. Tooling or location holes should not be obscured, and they should be free from component, etc. in the vicinity of the holes to enable any location spigots on the text features to mate with the holes. And the last point is location accuracy of the tooling or location holes should typically be within 0.05 mm, that is 0.002 inches, although with techniques changing all the times. Check the requirement for actual tester. Point number 2, connect reset and other keys line via register. What it mean by? One key design for ICT parameter is to ensure that any key reset or other lines that might be taken to a round or the simply rail are taken there via register. In this way, if in circuit tester needs to control these points on the chip to undertake a performance check, then it is able to have a control. Point number 3, provide a probable pad for each circuit nodes. When using in circuit testing, it is necessary to get access to each node in the circuit to enable sufficient test coverage to be achieved. Probable test pads are ideally dedicated test pad, but with circuits becoming much smaller, this is not always possible. Often ICT manufacturer claims fixtures can probe shoulder joints. Check this out, as this technique can lead to lower reliability testing. we are going to discuss the point number 4. Probable test pad should be on one side of the board. Okay, when possible, test pad for test probe should be on the same side, means underside of the PCB. This means that single-sided fixtures can be employed. These are cheaper, simpler and faster to use than double-sided fixtures. 5th point, test pad finish. Any test pad should have a good conductive finish. This will include shoulders, but often to gold plating. If used elsewhere in the board can be used, although it adds cost. If we are adding this something to it, it adds the cost. 6th point, test pad size should be sufficient for fixtures. The test size will need to balance available space on the PCB with the size required for the test probe. They should be sufficient to allow the probe to make contacts and should have space around them to take up any tolerance in the fixture, PCB, etc., so that the probe do not cause shorts. Short circuiting should be avoided. With the help of the 6th test pad, in which we are including the size of the test pad should be sufficient for the fixtures. And the 7th point is test pad density must be considered. The density of test pad should not be so great that it becomes impossible to manufacture the fixtures. It is necessary to check this with the fixture manufacturers as figure vary according to the type of fixtures that will be used. The last and the 8th point is fill plate through holes. If there is likelihood that vacuum fixtures will be used, it is necessary to fill the plated through holes as a part of manufacturing process. Method for filling other holes will also be required. Okay, so 8th point we discussed about the ICT, and if we are talking about the summary, in order to able to perform a sufficiently used in circuit test, it is necessary to ensure that the tester has sufficiently testable board, has access to the nodes in PCBs, which is more difficult these days. It is necessary to ensure that testing can be accommodated. This can only be achieved by applying design for in-circuit test rule from the beginning of the design, and especially during the PCB layout stage. If this is achieved, then in-circuit testing will be possible. So according to the 8th point we have discussed till now. So according to the 8th point, if we are working on the PCB designing, so at starting of the months we are making the layout. So with the help of the layout we can make it possible that how we can achieve the good ICT. Or during the fabrication time we can consider these 8 points into the consideration so that we can achieve our goal up to the minimum of the cost, reliability of the performance. So we can use with the help of this summary of the 8 point. Thank you guys. We have the references. Thanks a lot. So you have any query, any confusion, any problem, you can ping to me. You can drop your message at my WhatsApp number, or you can message on the YouTube page. Thanks a lot. Thank you so much.